Gambling with Vincenzo. We do trading with Vincenzo. You can gamble with Vincenzo, right? But you can see real quick, and I got to get into the plant. We got, we're still sitting here where we were talking about earlier, sitting up here consolidating, right? And the longer it sits up here and consolidates, that could technically be bullish, but if it continues to sort of look like it's rolling over, it might try to come back down here as the 200-day is going to meet right around in here for your underneath support. So that's what we're going to be watching out for right there. Does this come back down and consolidate down before a move to the upside, or does it break down and end up retesting this lower support this week on the uptrending $20,500? We'll be watching out for that. You can see the U.S. dollar had a big down day. Gold has actually had a pretty nice rally after it was getting beat down. It's up. Doesn't show me that on here. I thought it showed that. We'll just go into here. Gold is up from the bottom to where it's at now, about $86 an ounce. So that's good. The U.S. dollar index is down about 4 basis points from 109 to 110 down to 105.5. Right? You can see Dogecoin for the Dogecoin millionaire. You can see right now it's trying to bounce on this white support zone. You can see it came all the way down to the 50-day moving average, came back up. It's starting to hold support. And as the 200 flattens out and slowly uptrends, if this thing can remain above that and kick to the upside, you can remain bullish. A bearish look would be this. It kind of comes down, then it falls down here to a moving average in the longer time frame, comes back up and gets rejected, and then starts to trade back down. That would be a bearish outcome in Dogecoin this weekend. And we'll finish this quick update in XRP. You can see we've rejected beautifully off of this upper resistance, and now we're into the moving averages. And what you need to get bullish is you can come down to the 200th day in the hour, but you got to hold that, and then on your reshoot, you got to break this old little high right there, right? You got to break that old area of resistance on the way back up, and that's what we'd be looking for to remain bullish. That's why that was always in my way. That's what you'd be looking for to remain bullish, right? Is you got to stay above that 200 day and then work your way up. But if you got to the 200 day, came up and got rejected like this again, and then started to come back down, that would be a bearish confirmation, right? So this is a critical area the next 24 hours to see what XRP is going to do. Like, subscribe, and share. And once again, Vincenzo will be in Vegas the 3rd week of October.